Want to switch out your light switch? It only has 3 wires. You can do this. Power is not on because it's not beeping. So here we go. I'm going to pull it out. You can see that there are 2 wires going and a bare copper wire. Bare copper wire is the ground wire. These 2 are the black wires. It's just the black wires. These are called the live wires, the ones that have power in them. The white wires are in here along with some more copper. We don't have to worry about those. We literally just have to take these 2 live ones and the ground off of this switch, put it on the new switch. These here in the back, you can just pull them out. Off there. You can see we have 2 black wires coming out and this bare copper wire. On this, let's see, can you see this? On this new light switch, we have 2 gold screws, which is where the black wires, one will go to each of those. Doesn't matter which one. And then the bare copper goes to the green screw. Put it around there. So you're gonna put this black wire all the way in, nice and tight, so that this doesn't come out. All the way in. There we go. Okay, and that's it. That's the whole thing. All right, last part, put a new cover plate on it. If you want to prove that you know what you're doing, you leave the screw lines facing up and down. Mark of a true professional. All right, let's go turn the outlet, the breaker back on, see if it works. All right, let's see. Oh, yep, see it coming on outside.